Could you imagine that there is increase in dollar again?
Are you the one telling me pure water now 20 naira? What is this country turning into?
I'm using that shit. See people that are owing me. How will
How
I
will you? It's those that are even doing Bitcoin that are even pity at this moment.
I don't even know. I can't just understand this country. Yeah?
I don't have anything to say. You just finish chatting with Mama Kitchen. Amanda! Amanda! Amanda, am I not talking to you? What's wrong with this girl? What's the meaning of that? You can't even greet me and your father sitting right here.
Amanda, come here. Amanda, come here.
What is your problem? Talk to me.
Mommy, can you imagine? Adobe insulted me in her father's burial.
Your friend.
Yes. I helped her and serve the people that came. I helped her and sweep the compound. I even helped her and wash plate. But when I asked for malt, Adobe said malt are finished. Meanwhile, when I went to the freezer, I saw malt.
Oh my daughter, sorry. Is that why you are angry? Go and meet your father. There's many malts in our house.
You can't be like that.
Don't worry, Daddy. I'll do that revenge. Next day you get it.
She's putting your daddy dead!
Daddy, is not what you think. All of my friends' father have died. It's mainly you now.
How do you?
To know more about us, visit us in all social media at